Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is specially made for those who love Indian culture. In this video, we demonstrate how to insert Bhagavad Geeta Shlokas written in Devanagari or other scripts into a LaTeX document. The main LaTeX file should always be compiled using LaTeX. Alternatively, the very first line of the file should be this one, a percentage sign, this exclamation mark, then TEX program equal to LaTeX, and the line containing document class should come next, and the third line should be input preamble.tex. So once you write this first line like this, then your file will be by default compiled using LaTeX compiler, no matter whichever compiler you use. And some of the commands that you need for inserting Gita Shlokas are like this. If you want to print entire Gita, then you have to write /bgd. bgd is the command and argument is full. So main command is bgd only. So if you write full argument, then entire Gita will be printed. If you write 4.7, then 7th shloka of chapter 4 will be printed. If you write argument as 4-7, then the 7th shloka of chapter 4 will be printed, but there will be no shloka number. Okay, then I'll show you. Then if you want to print 6th chapter in full, then you have to write BGD 6 full. If you want to print only the heading of Gita, then it is BGD head. Heading of chapter 5, BGD 5 head. Tail, the concluding shlokas of Gita, you have to write BGD tail. And concluding shlokas of any particular chapter, say 17, you have to write BGT 17 tail. And there is a to display a shloka in the center and with a suffix written in English Bhagavad Gita on the right. This display command is there, BGDX. So if you write BGDX, it will be, this shloka will be displayed at the center. And there is also a start version. If you use BGDX star and any shloka number you write from here, then after this Bhagavad Gita, shloka number also will be printed. Okay, you can see in this file, I will show you. And finally, if you want to use, say for example, Bengali script, then in place of BGD, here D stands for Devanagari. So in place of D, you have to write B. So wherever BGD appears, you have to write BGB. Then it will be using Bengali scripts. Okay. So here, for example, all these Gita quotes are printed. Some are in bold faces. Bold faces are also available. Some are in regular face. Okay, shloka number is there. Some are without shloka number. That's what all this command says. Some are without shloka number and some are with shloka number. Hyphen means without shloka number. So all these things you will see. And this is display with Bhagavad Gita. This is start version. So this is Bhagavad Gita 4.40. But here it is hyphen, here it is 4.40. That is why I wrote, you may not like it. But this one may be much better. So some shloka is there and Bhagavad Gita 4-7. So it is 7th shloka of chapter 4. So this way this thing will be printed. And once again concluding things and all kinds of things are printed. And Bengali scripts are also similar. Everything is same except it is written in Bengali script. All these shlokas are written in Sanskrit language. So let me go to the text file, and as here you can see this is the main file, and as I said, look at these three lines. This is that for default LaTeX compiler. This is that document class command line, and this is that input. So all these three commands are very important. Okay, and next is we will now see how these commands are used. So let us now see this thing. So we go to the source area. So you see this is this first line is in boldface, so that is why text BF is written, and it is manually centered. It is written centering, not manually centered, so we're using centering command here, and so we have centered it. And then okay, I show you too. So this one corresponds to this command. This one is the heading of chapter 4, so it is given by this command. Okay, so like that every other command you can see one by one, all these things. So for example, this display item here, so this display is 40th shloka. So you see this just BGDX. So if you just write BGDX 4.40, so it will be printed here. And if you use the start version here, then it will be printed like this. Okay, and but this may not look nice, as I said. If you use these start versions, then this is much better. Now look at this particular start version here, and this particular. So in place of 4.7, I have written 4-7. If you write 4-7, then here there will be no number, but here it will, there 4-7 will come. Okay, so this looks much better. Or you don't write any shloka number. This is also okay. So like that it goes, and so all these things are similar. If you read this file, you can understand all these things. You can of course download this file from the link given in the description of this video. So let me now straight away go to a practical application, something like this. So look at here. This is a question paper, exam question paper. See, it's a mathematics question paper, and it ends with a 3-star. So if you are having your private students for personal communications, etc., in place of star, you can put a Gita Shlok here. So we go to the last part. There is a star written here. So instead of that, you can, okay, here I just comment it out, and here I just write one Gita Shloka. So BGD, then I write this thing 2-7. Suppose I write 2-7 and see what happens. I compile it. Oh God, what happened? Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. The first line, etc., I have not changed. So that is why it was compiling using PDF LaTeX. So this line has to be copied here. First line should be this LaTeX. Okay, I myself forgot this thing. And then this is the third line. And now if I compile, now it will work. Yeah. So you see Gita Shloka has come here. Okay. The 7th shloka has come here. at the end. And yeah, so if you want BGDX, then, and of course for that centering is not required, it will be centered automatically, yeah, with a suffix something like this. Okay, so whichever is better, probably the other one was better. Yeah, so this way you see it is compatible with other packages also, because question paper uses so many other packages, but there is no problem at all. Okay, another application I show. Suppose I close this one, I go to another directory. So I go here maybe, and for example I go here. So this one also, this is already there. This is actually a thesis. Okay, so many other things are there. Okay, so if you see this one, the same thing, 3 lines are there. Okay, and if I make it a little bit bigger, then you can see, for example, this is dedication page, and see this Gita Shloka is appearing here. Okay, and it is used it is done here. Yeah, this is the command. You see, this is the command. So BGDX tail means the last shloka of, concluding shloka of this thing, Bhagavad Gita. BGDX till, just write BGDX till, this thing will be printed. And important thing is that first 3 lines should be this thing. This is first line, this is third line, and document class is second line. Okay, and so many this thesis uses so many other packages in the preambles. If I show you this thesis preamble, where is it? Thesis preamble is somewhere. Yeah, this is one. So you see in the preamble so many packages are used. Okay, do you see it? See it here. So many packages are used. Okay, so many packages are used, but absolutely no problem. Okay, so this is the preamble, but absolutely no problem. Your final thing is nice. Then this one in the preliminaries also. Okay, so if you want to give your thesis or any document to anybody, your students or private students or any colleague, you can always include some Gita Shlokas. Here, for example, it is written in Bengali script, but you can make it, where is it? Preliminaries, right? Preliminary BGB. Okay, it is written in this, so I make it BGD, so it will be Devanagari. I'll compile it for you, and you will see it has become Devanagari. Soon it will become Devanagari. It is taking some time doing it. Yeah, you see, it has become Devanagari script. Okay, so if you write BGB, it will be Bengali. BGD, it will be Devanagari script. So Sarvadharma Paritejya Mamekang Sharanang Braja Ahang Tang Sarva Papibho Mukhasyami Masucha. Okay, so this is quite this thing, and if you use in place of dot, if you use hyphen 1866, then this shloka number at the end will vanish. Yes, see here. Now it is looking nice. Okay. So again, I tell you, we can download all these 4 files: BG Deva, BG main, BG preamble, then this thing. Okay, this is preamble. These 4 files: bg preamble.tex, bgdeva.tex, bgmain.tex, and bgbank.tex. I can download all these 4 files from the link, using the link given in the description of this video, and hope it will be useful to you. And once in a lifetime, I feel everyone should read Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And by the way, if you need Bhagavad Gita in any other language, then please let me know. I will upload the necessary files. And by the in the last section of my file, I have mentioned about fonts. Now the best font for Devanagari and Bengali is this Noto fonts, Noto Sans Devanagari and Noto Sans. Noto Serif is also there. It is also good. It is slightly compact. Width is slightly less, but here it is very nice. Noto Sans is best. Noto Sans Devanagari, Noto Sans Bengali. So you have to install it. Instruction is given here how to install it. Okay, and this file can be compiled using Overleaf also. So before I finish, I just show you quickly how to do it in Overleaf. I have already uploaded the files, and see, I am opening the Overleaf. So it is already there. I have uploaded. So you see all those commands in this thing. All those Gita Shlokas are there. Okay, layout option, PDF only. Yeah, see here. So in Overleaf also it works very nicely. All the packages are there. Okay, and even in other one, Crickset also it works. Okay, so Overleaf I close. Crickset, let me show you in the Crickset also. It is of course a bit slow sometimes. Yeah, so I close this one. I open this one, BG main, and then I compile it. You see, open a new window. Yeah, you see in Crickset also you can compile this file without any problem. Okay, so hope it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching the video.